Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to AIM Apple YouTube channel, here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install extension on Google Chrome. So, the process to install extension on Google Chrome is quite easy and simple. So what you need to do is you need to search in on Google Chrome for Google Web Store. So here we have Google Web Store, and at the top you will be able to see chrome.google.com Web Store. So this is the Chrome Web Store, where you'll be able to see all the extensions that are available for Google Chrome. Now you can simply go and search the extension name here to get out any extension and to simply go to that extension, for example. I want to install this Google Translate extension, and once you open this up, simply go and click on Add to Chrome. It would wear it for a while by checking, and this pop-up will appear, Add Extension. Now it would take a bit of time to download and install the extension. So here you can see it is now installed. So you can go for this, its setting as well. And to pin this, here what you need to do is you need to click on this, and here click on this. So now this extension appears here. So whenever you go to any page, you'll be able to translate that using the Google Translator. So hope by doing so, you'll be able to install extensions on Google Chrome. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.